Okay. Om Gururam Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear first class students, today discuss about the signs or symbols. So, put the correct signs, the following given numbers. So, this is called as less than symbol. This is called as equal symbol. This is called as greater than symbol. So, according to our workbook value one, so first one is 222 and 233 beta. See here, 222 is the smaller than 333. See here, 333 here bigger number. So you can use less than symbol. So this is called less than symbol and this is called greater than symbol. So the bigger symbol is, so this side means you can use less than symbol. Okay, so you can use 333 here, 222. So this side greater than symbol, so you can use greater than symbol. And see, you can see this is left, this is right. So right side is greater than symbol, then you can use less than symbol. Now here this is the 233, so left means the greater symbol, the side of left you can use greater than. See here, now 222 and see in it, this is less than symbol, now it is called as this side face and this is tail, as well as this is greater than symbol, so this is called as face and this is called as tail. See here, 222, 233, so 33 is bigger number than 222. Then this side face means you can use less than symbol. Then next one is is 400, 899. See here, 400 is the smaller number than 899. So 899 is the bigger number. So you can use this side piece means less than symbol. So 400 is less than 899. Next 123 dash 190. See 123 is the smaller number than 190. So we can use here less than symbol. So 123 is smaller than 190. Next one 589 beta. 589 and 500. See, this is the bigger number than 500. So you can use bigger number means greater than symbol. 589 is greater than 500. Now next one 202. This side 404. So 202 is smaller than 404. Then here use less than symbol. 202 is less than 404. Now next one is 936, 920. 936 is the bigger number than 920. Then you can use greater than symbol. So 936 is greater than 920. Now next one 131. 131. Here 131, 100. These two numbers are equal. Then you use here equal symbol. 131 is equals to 131. Now next one beta. 512. 215. 512 is bigger number than 215. So 512 is greater number. So then 215. So here you can use greater than symbol. 512 is greater than 215. Now next one 578 and 299. See here 578 is bigger number than 299. Then you can use here greater than symbol, that is 578 is greater than 299. Now next cardinals and ordinal numbers. You know, already we discussed about previous classes, so once again I am repeating today. So everybody listen carefully. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. ordinals. See, listen carefully. Rohan has a shelf in his house. In the first rack, he has his toys. First rack, toys, and second rack, Rohan has his books. Now, second rack, Rohan has his books. Third rack, there is a television. Fourth rack, Rohan's mom keeps her purse. Fifth rack, Rohan's father keeps his laptop. Sixth rack, there is a clock. Seventh rack, there is a teddy bear. And eighth rack, there is an aeroplane. Ninth rack, there is a flower vase. Now next, 10th rack, there is a statue. What will you find in the following racks? So first one is 10th rack. So 10th rack, see here what 10th rack means here. 10th rack, there is a statue. So here you can write statue. Now next, third rack. Third rack, there is a television. Next, sixth rack, there is a track. Fourth rack. So fourth rack, Rohan's mom keeps her purse. Now second rack, books. Second rack, Rohan hides his books. Now next, seventh rack, teddy bear. Ninth rack, flower vase. First rack, toys. There is a toys. Fifth rack, fifth rack, Rohan's father keeps his laptop. Laptop. The eighth rack, aeroplane. Now next beta, write the ordinal names. Next, write the ordinal names. Write the ordinal names. So this is called as ordinal names. You can write 20th, 20th. So this is called as ordinal name first. Now this is 7th. This is beta 14th. Third. tenth, second, this is eighth, next this is 16th, now next write the cardinal names. Eighteenth, next fifth, 5, third 3, ninth 9, 11th, 11, 14th, let's call it 14, second, 2, first, 1. See here, 18th, 18, 5th, 5, third, 3, 9th, 9, 11th, 11, 14th, 14, second, 2, first, 1. See here, this is called as ordinal number, this is called as ordinal numbers. Now next, place value. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. Place value. Write the place value of the number. Of the numbers below. See 36 beta. See here 6 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place. 3 tens 30, 6 ones 6. So you can write 3 tens, 3 is in 10's place and 6 is in 1's place. 3 tens and 6 ones. Next 45. So 5 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place. Then you can write 4 tens and 5 ones. Next 65. 5 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place. Then you can write 6 tens and 5 ones. Next 76. 6 is in 1's place, 7 is in 10's place. Then you can write 7 tens and 6 ones. Next 89. See, 9 is in 1's place, 8 is in 10's place. Then you can write 8 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones. Now next 28. See 2 tens, 8 ones. 2 tens and 8 ones. Next 19. So 9 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Then 1 tens and 9 ones. Read the place value and the number in the box. See here. Now next one is read the place values and number the box. See here, 1 tens and 7 ones. Very easy. 1 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. So 17. Next, 0 tens and 4 ones. Listen carefully. So you can write it here. Ones place, tens place. 0 tens, 4 ones. 0 4 means 4. Next, 6 tens and 9 ones. So 6 ones place, tens place, 6 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. The given number is 69. Next, 7 tens and 1 ones. See here, listen carefully. Ones place, tens place. 7 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. The given number is 71. Now next, 4 tens, 4 tens and 8 ones. So ones place, tens place, 4 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. That is 48. Now next, 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. 3 tens, 6 ones. The given number, that is 36. Now next, addition. See, already you know about this. The combination of 2 or more numbers are called addition. If you take 2 or more numbers, you can add it. So means you can count both the numbers, you will get some answer, that is called as a answer. See here, addition. Addition. Add the numbers in the square set, then add the numbers in the triangle set. Now take the total of 2 sets and make an addition statement in the circle set. See here, listen carefully everybody. This is square set. Triangle set. And this is circle set. See here, 1 plus 4 you can get 5. 3 plus 5 you can get 8. See, keep the bigger number 4 in your mind and 1 in your hand. 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4 you can get 5. Next 3 plus 5 you can get 8. Then the addition of square and triangle sets. So you can get the circle. See here, 5 plus 8. So keep the bigger number 8 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. So you can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 right in circle. Now next 4 plus 2 you can get 6. 3 plus 3 you can get also 6. Now here see 6 plus 6 you can get 12 right in circle. Now next 2 plus 7 you can get 9. 2 plus 3 you can get 5. Next see here 9 plus 5 you can get 14. So keep the bigger number 9 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers. You can count to 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now write in circle. Next 1 plus 7 you can get 8. 3 plus 1 is added to any number, you can get the next number. 3 plus 1 you can get 4. Now see here 8 plus 4 you can get 12. Right in circle set. Now next 2 plus 5 you can get 7. 1 plus 8, 1 is added to 8 you can get 9. Write down in triangle set. So then 7 plus 9 you can get 16. So see the bigger number 9 in your mind and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. So 7 fingers you can count 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 write down in circle. Now next 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 you can get 9. 6 plus 3 also you can get 9. So here 9 plus 9 you can get 18. Right in circle. Next 3 plus 1 you can get 4. 4 plus 4 you can get 8. Right in triangle set. Now next 3 plus 1 4 plus 8. See here 4 plus 8 and gets 12. Now next, add the following. Don't forget to keep the bigger number in mind. See here 2 plus 4, the bigger number 4 in your mind and you have to take 2 fingers in your hand. You can count 4 after 5, 6. Sum is equals to 6. Next 3 plus 6. Here the bigger number 6 in your mind. Keep the bigger number 6 in your mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. 6 after you can count 7, 8, 9. Sum is equals to 9. Next 9 plus 3. Keep the bigger number in your mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 9 after 3 fingers, 10, 11, 12, write down. Next 5 plus 6. Keep bigger number 6 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 you can get 11. 8 plus 4, keep bigger number 8 in your mind and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 8 after 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Next 3 plus 3, very simple, 6. So keep 3 in your mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 3 after 4, 5, 6. Next 1 plus 5, very easy better. 1 plus 5, 6. Keep the bigger number 5 in your mind and you have to take 1 finger in your hand. You can count 5 after 1 finger, 5 after 6. Now next 4 plus 7. Keep 7 is the bigger number in your mind and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 7 after 4 fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next 3 plus 4. Keep bigger number 4 in your mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 4 after 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7. Sum is equals to 7. 4 plus 8. Keep 8 is the bigger number, no? Keep the bigger number 8 in your mind and you have to take how many fingers? 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 you can get 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Next 5 plus 7. Keep 7 is the bigger number in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 7 after 5 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next 6 plus 1. 1 is added to any number, you can get the next number. 6 plus 1 you can get 7. Next 7 plus 8. 8 is the bigger number in this case. So 8, keep the bigger number 8 in your mind and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. See here, you can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can write 15. That is the sum. Now next, eight plus 3. Bigger number 8. Keep in your mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 8 after 9, 10, 11. That is the 11 sum. 9 plus 5. Keep bigger number 9 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 9 after 5 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sum is equals to 14. See here, 6 plus 0. 0 fingers we have? No. Means here, 0 is added to any number. Then you can get the same number. See here, 6 plus 0. 0 is added to 6, you can get 6. 0 is added to 5, you can get 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. Like that only. So, 6 plus 0, you can get 6 in this case. Now, next 2 plus 9. Very simple. The bigger number 9 in your mind and you have to take 2 fingers in your hand. You can count 9 after 10, 11. Next 9 plus 1. Keep bigger number in your mind and 1. Keep the bigger number in your mind and you have to take 1 finger in your hand. But one logic is there here. Means 1 is added to any number. So you can get next number. See, 1 is added to 9. 9 plus 1 you can get 10. 9 after the next number 10. Next 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 you can get 10. So keep 5 in your mind and 5 fingers you have to take in your hands. So count point after 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 8 plus 2. So bigger number. here the bigger number, that is 8, and 8 keep in your mind. You have to take 2 fingers in your hand. You can count 8 after 2 fingers, 9, 10. 8 plus 2, you can get 10. Next, 4 plus 6. The given here, keep 6 is the bigger number in your mind, and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 4 fingers, 7, 8, 9, 10. So sum is equals to 10. Next, 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 you can get 12. See, keep 6 in your mind, and you have to take how many fingers? 6 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So sum is equals to 12. 7 plus 9. See here, the bigger number is 9. So keep the bigger number 9 in your mind, and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. Now you can count 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7 plus 9, you can get 16 right down here. Sum is equals to 16. Next, 1 plus 1, very simple. 1 is added to 1, you can get 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.